Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Imran here from addendum Solutions, and this video is regarding the language addendum in grade 1 to 8. Earlier, last year, the language had four strands: reading, writing, oral communication, and media literacy. This, after the addendum, has been removed and it has been made exactly similar to mathematics. All the strands have been removed and it's just the flat grading that will be applied to the language moving forward. The new template that Ministry has released from the Ontario.ca, the template looks something like this, where the 2023 September release of the 0461E report card has a language without the strands. And this change is this is for the grade 1 to 6 as well as for the grade 7 to 8. Report card is the same thing. The language has no more the strands associated with it. This change has been implemented in Addin as well. And to do that, we have to map a new report template. And to do that, you just simply click on the map new report, call it grade 1 to 6, provincial report card 2020. Uh, should be sufficient. Just call it new if that makes help. If that helps you. So grade 1 to 6 elementary provincial report card 0461E 2023 September. This is what you pick as the template for grade 1 to 6. And then select all your grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Map all the subjects and strands thoroughly. The report release date, which is going to be the upcoming release date when the reports will be released for the first, we call it report 1. And if you have any additional subjects like Islamic subjects that you want to include it, you can include them here. Map the current progress term report, so report 1 term and report 2 term, map them all. And once done, just click on save. Same way you will do the second mapping, call it new grade 7 to 8 report card. And then for that, you use the second template, which is the last one. Select your grades and then map the relevant subjects and the strands for the other subjects. Uh, Set up the report release date as well as if you have any additional subjects mapping, do that, and then the term mapping. The active term mapping is important for you to get updates for the attendance, etc. on the report card. And once done, save it. I highly recommend if you have the old report cards that are already mapped. For example, I have this 2020 September one. So I'll just edit that, and instead of this new, I'll just call it do not use and save it. We will introduce a new feature called archive report card, in which once archived, they will not appear. For now, temporarily, just so that the teachers don't end up using it, just mark it as do not use in the front and map the two latest report cards with the new template, which includes the addendum on the language that was introduced late September 2023. If you have any question, please feel free to open the case with the addendum support and we will look into it. One more change that you may end up doing it is if you are using the academic activity score management, you will have to remove the strength. So by going into the admin portal, go to subjects and look for the language, select the language, click on edit and remove the strengths checkboxes. Okay, this will help you uh, uh, populate the grades without strands onto the report card using the academic activities belongs to the addendum. So save that, and you will have to do this for all the language subject in all the grades. Remove them and just save it. Right, I hope this video was informative for you. And if you have any question, like I said, please feel free to open the case with Dean support, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.